Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Satomi, and in today's video, I'm going to share simple organizing tips to help motivate you to organize your home. So I recognize that organizing is not on everybody's fun to-do list. So these are just tips to help motivate you to organize a certain space or to keep up organizing in your home. Tip number one is take a picture of an organized space and post it on Instagram or Facebook. So this could be a small space like a shoe rack or maybe a drawer in your kitchen or in your office. Show a before picture of the mess that it is, then take time to organize it and take a picture and show a before and after photo that you know you're gonna post. This helps to get you motivated to take 10-15 minutes to clean one small area because you know you're going to be posting it, and it also helps to motivate the person who's going to see that post. I know for me, as I scroll through organizing photos, it really motivates and inspires me to get up and go organize a section of my house. This first tip not only helps you, but it also helps you to help somebody else. Tip number two is to practice habit stacking. Now, I learned this by reading Atomic Habits by James Clear. And what habit stacking is when you have already developed a habit in your schedule or your routine, your daily routine. Let's keep it super simple. Let's say you wake up, you make your bed. You are in the habit of making your bed. This is something that you're going to do every single morning. Because you already have that habit down, then stack one small habit on top of that you're going to do at the same time. So now, every morning, I'm going to make my bed, and I'm also going to clear my side table. Or for me, what I've done is every morning when I make coffee for me and my husband, while I'm waiting for the coffee to finish, I will either load my dishwasher or empty my dishwasher, depending on what needs to be done. It's not even something I think about anymore. Before, I would walk past a sink full of dishes, start my coffee, and just stand there and scroll on my phone. It wouldn't even cross my mind to use that 1 or 2 minutes to clean out the kitchen sink. But now I've developed the habit of whenever I'm waiting for my coffee to finish, I use that time to load or unload the dishwasher. And this tip could be used in anything when you're waiting for something or you have a habit that you already do. Just stack another little habit on top of that, and then you'll have 2 habits that are now part of your routine. Habit number 3, have a place for everything and put everything in its place right away. So having a place for everything helps you to put things away right away. So one of the ways I apply this tip is as soon as I get home from Costco, instead of putting all of our paper products or toiletries on the counter or on a table somewhere to be used or put away later, I have a place, for example, my paper towels. I take the big bulk of 12, 24 paper towel rolls. I take each roll out of the package and I put it in the cupboard where all of our paper towels go. I do this immediately. I don't set the whole bulk of paper towels down to get to it later. I do it as soon as I get home from Costco. I put everything away right away. And the reason I'm able to do it immediately is because everything has a home. I know where everything goes. So it really is helpful to have a place for everything in your home. Tip number 4, do a load of laundry every day or every other day. So this tip is new for me. I used to just do our laundry every week or every week and a half, and I would wait for there to be tons of laundry, and then it would take me a whole day or sometimes even 2 days to get all of our laundry done. But that was just too much for me. I mean, doing laundry for all day and sometimes a whole day and a half, I felt like there was a better way to do laundry so it's not taking up my entire day or day and a half. So what I've started doing is I do a load of laundry either every day or every other day. Now, sometimes every day there isn't enough laundry to do, so that's why I say or every other day. But every other day, there is always a small little pile that I could wash, and my laundry is done in one shot. It doesn't take up an entire day. It doesn't even take up hours of my day. It's just doing one load of laundry. And if I do that every day or every other day, I never have a ton of laundry that's just hovering over me to get done. Tip number 5 is declutter on a regular basis. So one of the ways you could do this is if you're going into your junk drawer in your kitchen, or your silverware drawer in your kitchen, or you're opening up a cupboard for your Tupperware. If you see anything in that drawer that doesn't belong there, or you see a couple things that you just no longer use, take that minute to grab it and either put it away where it belongs or throw it away. Don't just leave it in the drawer. This habit might take some getting used to, but if you do develop the habit of decluttering on a regular basis, you'll never have a huge decluttering project in your home. I'm constantly decluttering my closet. I declutter Cody's closet on a regular basis. I'm constantly decluttering cupboards and drawers, whether it's office drawers or kitchen drawers, bathroom drawers. I'm constantly just throwing things away or putting things in a donation bag, but decluttering has just become a part of my everyday life, and because of that, my house never seems super cluttered anymore. So that's it for this video, guys. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're new, I'm Satomi, and I make videos sharing with you how I take care of my home, my family, and myself. This includes home organization, beauty product reviews, Amazon hauls, just all the ways that I take care of myself, my family, and my home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any other videos. You could follow me on Instagram at Satomi Christina. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
'Cause you're a boss, baby, boss lady. Ain't no looking back, we walk it off, baby, in charge.